Hi, in the last episode, we created controller by using terminal commands. In this video, we are going to learn how can we create models into Laravel 5.8 project and where models are located. By default, models are located inside app HTTP directory, but you can make a folder for models if you want to make it. It's totally depend on you. So let's create a model. And how can we create a model? It is same as like controller. So we just need to execute php artisan make and then colon. After colon, like controller, you have to mention we are going to create model and then model name. And from model, the good practice is you should have some single word instead of phrase. So contact would be good. And here you can see the model has been created. As you know, in the MVC, the model's job is to communicate with database and reply back to controller whatever response is. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you like it and move to next one. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So please click on subscribe button.